Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Friday morning pre-market webcast. All right, first off, daily chart. So, big upper band ride, we pull back and we hold the 9-day. They take it back up, they do another set of all-time highs. They get a decent little look yesterday. What you had was about 3 or 4 situations where at 71.25, they simply couldn't print a higher price. That pulled it all the way back to the 9-day. Again, the 9-day is holding. Failure to convert the 9-day, it threatens new all-time highs. It's really no different than the dynamic that happened back here with the inability to convert the 9-day, and they went ahead and they did it again here. So if you can't convert the 9-day, you open yourself up. So the bears need to, if they can, close below the 9-day. If not today, then by Monday. Otherwise, it starts to look like pretty serious support, and that's a problem. Hourly chart. We talked about this yesterday. You had the weekly low back here. 52.25 on Monday, and what you've had is a series of higher lows, successive all-time highs. When I left you yesterday morning, we were talking about tight Bollinger Bands on the hourly. Compression, expansion. So we get the expansion down. Where does it stop last night? 51.75, 52.25. So where I come from, that's effectively a double bottom. The bears are going to have to overcome that into today. You can see that we fought over the daily pivot here. That's also the 9-day simple from back on the daily chart. You can see the hourly mid-band sweeping in to deal with that as well. So you got 3 things going on between 58 and 60. So if we're going to pull back off the open today, it's going to be into 58.60. The dip buyers will be there. They're already there. And what you'll have to see is, can they do a higher high, or do we get more lower highs? Do we run into a price this morning similar to 71.25, and then you start to see a market that can't get through that area? If that's the case, then hey, it opens up a move to 52.25. If the bears were to take out 52.25 today, that would be a statement that they haven't been able to make in quite some time, and that would be follow through. Bears have a very difficult time with follow through. I was mentioning in the room yesterday, we had, I believe it was 8, may have even turned into 9. No, I think it was 8 consecutive red candles on the hourly. I mean, look for yourself. I mean, when's the last time that happened? 8 in a row. So there's some potential underlying, not weakness, but there is a two-sided aspect to this market that has to be respected. All right, everybody have a fantastic day. I'll be out with a wrap-up later. Trade them well, and I'll talk to you then. Follow us over on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat at Princeton Trader. Check us out on Facebook and join us for a free trial at www.princetontrader.com. Trade them well.